The digestive system is formed by the gastrointestinal tract, extending from the mouth to the anus, in addition to the pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. The digestive system is responsible for receiving food, breaking down and absorbing nutrients, and eliminating indigestible material. The stomach mixes food with acid to begin digestion. The stomach lining is protected from acid by a layer of mucus and bicarbonate. Stomach ulcers may occur when this layer is disrupted, resulting in painful inflammation. The pancreas releases enzymes into the small intestine that help the breakdown of food. Additionally, the pancreas releases hormones such as insulin into the bloodstream, where the insulin helps control blood glucose levels. The liver produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder and is secreted into the small intestine. Bile carries toxins out of the body and contains substances that help absorb nutrients. The small intestines absorb most of the water and nutrients. Small finger-like structures called microvilli increase the surface area for absorption. Infection of the intestines by pathogens such as bacteria may result in diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. The large intestine is where stool is formed, which is then excreted via the rectum.